see these elections, local elections basically. Local elections goes on more of a personality. I look at it in that way. So let us see now. Now it is now God knows who has voted for whom. We will come to know on 13th. It is not Babush, it is party.
We are confident that everything will go smoothly with the blessing of the Almighty. People of Panjim are looking for a change, and change is very imminent. We are confident of everything.
I just want, like I said, I'm appealing to people at this time to look at the work that has been done and not to all the promises that will be made from the future from the opposition. That our panel, now the panel says vote for change. If you look at their manifesto, there is no difference between their manifesto and what we are currently working on right now. So, if you look at what the opposition has said and what they had claimed about removing the casinos, they also said that they won't be able to do that.
CCP करता इतले voting जावप is higher side voting, which reflects people are going for change. That is हातून capture जाला अशें म्हाका तरी दिसता. अंडरकरंट हांव 15 दीस भोंवला पळय तातूंत दिसतालो क्लियर, आनी तो पर्सेंटेज जर 70 बी क्रॉस किंवा लागीं पावता फॉर अ CCP इलेक्शन, दॅट मिन्स तो अंडरकरंट बॉक्सान पावला आनी ते आतां रिजल्ट दिसतलो अशी म्हजी अपेक्षा.
आमची सुमार 836 वोट्स आसा, तातूंतली डेड आनी जी येवंक शकना अशी धरलेली जाल्यार आमी एक 710-20 जातली जी धरिल्ली. आमच्या अपेक्षा पेक्षा मातशें कमी 685 सुमार आमची मतां जाल्या, विच इज अगेन व्हेरी हाय. म्हाका दिसता आमची सगळ्यांक हायस्ट आसतली पणजेन पर्सेंटेज.
I'm a first time voter. As you can see, I'm voting for ward number 5, and it was a good experience for the first time, and I think that you all as new voters should also come and do this.
I'm 20 years old. I'm ward number 5, and like for the first time how it feels after voting, like I was confused in like what to do and all, but like it was easy. I thought it would be like a big procedure, I thought it would be very confusing.
कांय कडेन 5 जावनूय लोक मतदाना खातीर लायनीत उबे राविल्ले, पूण मतदानाचो वेळ सोंपिल्ल्यान अधिकाऱ्यांनी गेटी बंद केल्यो, कोणाकूच भितर सोडले ना.
आमी पळयता 5 जावन 10 मिनटां जाल्या आनी जरी आमी सध्या वॉर्ड नंबर 15च्या पोलिंग बुथा कडेन आसा. हांगासर क्रावड इतलो आशिल्लो, लोक सामके लास्ट मोमेंटाक येवपाक राविल्ले हांगासर मतदानाक. ताजे खातीर आमी पयले एक्चुअली हांगासर लायनूय स्लो आशिल्ली, ताजे खातीर आतां 5 जावन 10 मिनटां जाल्या तरी आमकां हांगासर फाटल्यान आमी पळोवपाक शकता की जे लोक आसा ते लायनीन रावल्या वोट मारपाक. कारण तसो रूल आसा की 5 मेरेन जितले लोक लायनीन आसा तांकां मत मारूंक मेळटा. सो आमी पळोवपाक शकता 5 जावन 10 मिनटां जाल्या तरी हांगासर आजुनूय जी लायन आसा ती बरी व्हडली अशी लायन आसा आनी ते मत मारपा खातीर रावल्या वॉर्ड नंबर 15च्या ह्या पोलिंग बुथाचेर.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.